Hollywood. Hollywood.
What's good, y'all boys, man? Got the fit, man. Got my boy Javon to cut, man.
Yep.
It's good, man.
Good.
Might be messed up today, man. You feel me? Vibes today, man.
Huh?
Yo. It's good, y'all boys. For the boys, man.
What we got?
Yo.
Hey, hold on. Let's get a little light, though.
Yo.
Come on, man. All right, drink a little bit. Go ahead.
Third man, Bonds, man. My boy birthday, man. My birthday was back, man. Back. But James gotta fight back, bro.
Gotta have a nigga on this bitch.
Hey, get this shit.
Hey, get this shit. Hey, we're gonna drink it fast. Come on.
Go ahead. Blink. Yo. What's up, my boy? What's up, man? What's up with it, man? Content everywhere today, man. All right.
The birthday boy right here. Hold up. Go ahead, bro.
Hey, y'all go ahead. They about to see who can drink the fastest.
Countdown. Okay.
All right, 3, 2, 1. Go. Hey, won. Javon the winner. Now take your shot. Take another shot. Come on, scam in the cut, man. Boy, scam. I am not rich on me. Boy, Miles, man. Boy, the cut, man. 04. Free lanes and no from in the bar. Ain't free left on wall where you can die. Yes, sir, man. Yes, sir, man. The boat with it. Boat light. Yo, bomber clap. Blow. Hey. Come back to y'all, man.
Man, it's cold as fuck. We gotta take a shot.
Move, bro.
We ain't doing no boy. Go ahead now. Ain't doing no booty shaking. All right, bro. No booty shaking. Hey, it's a boat full of men. Hey, it's a boat full of men. He playing booty shaking music now. Hey, talk to him.
Ain't no booty shaking there. Ain't no booty shaking.
Get out of here.
Oh my God. That nigga said I love him.
It's a boat full of men. Don't do that.
Dang, bro, I can't just play the music, bro. I gotta be one of them dudes. I gotta be one, bro.
Yeah, you damn right.
Put cheese in, bro. I got you.
Okay, I'm gonna go back so I can pull in the island. Hey, what you doing?
I'm rolling it for you.
Oh, you gonna roll it? No, I need it.
Damn, my boy got wet. Damn, bro, my boy got wet. My boy got soaked, bro. Damn, my boy got soaked. Damn, bro, they got soaked. Damn,
Maybe I go toe for toe.
Chill. Don't make me fall.
Where the gorillas at? 100.
Good, y'all boys, man. We back, man.
Hey, this shit better be some lick too, bro.
Lit all day, man.
This shit probably ain't got no licking.
Finish it right now.
Finish it?
Yeah, right now.
Finish it?
Hey, finish it, bro. Dang, bro, can we play G Herbo, bro? God dang, bro. Go, push his ass up in there, bitch, bro. About to push it, bro. Throw his ass in there, bro. Throw his ass in there, bro.
Shit over that hurt, bro.
Bro, that's gay, bro.
Go ahead. Hey, bro, he said finish this. Finish it.
Go ahead, finish it. Hey, what's his name?
What the hell?
Come back to y'all, man. What's good, y'all boys? We back, man. We back. Got here at the boat. Heard the boat and everything, man. Shout out to my boy James, man. He goated, man.
Yes, sir.
We on this shit? Yeah. Man, go subscribe to my nigga, man. Fuck y'all doing.
Got here chilling at the boat right now and everything was good.
Can I put my shit in?
Yeah. Right, chilling right now, man. We vibing right now. So look, my aunt right there. They still got on. Got my reach on shoe right here. You feel me, man?
Y'all see it, bro.
Look at his glasses, bro. Look at his glasses, bro. Look at his glasses, bro. Some Gucci's. You know, I got my nephew out here. He only 16. Boy, 16 out here drinking and shit. Oh, nigga, y'all behind, nigga. I'm 6 shots in. I'm 6 shots in. My boy James, man. My boy James, man. He gonna shake back with us tonight, man. He chilling right now. He chilling right now.
We gotta shake back.
My boy Stats, man. Get in the water. 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 Jump.
Lady, I'm big. I ain't got no weed for you to smoke.
My boy Miles right here, man. Y'all need anything with cars, anything, hit my boy up, man.
Baby, get our tunes on. Right there too, bro. Marry on my tools, on my airs fully. Pull up by myself, get all the goals gone. I'ma move on. If she don't wanna give me head, my big brother tricky, man. You gotta sit there.
My dog's my cousin, man. Go Hannah, man. Hannah.
We out here for my man's 25th motherfucking birthday vlog. So you talking about we got James behind the camera. He's fucking with us. I try to be drunk as hell. Look, we gonna turn up for him. He talking about some he's sick.
Hey, you gotta do me like that. Where she moving? Your shit?
What we whipping? Oh shit. The driver.
Y'all ready?
We ready.
Next island.
Let's take it. Next island.
Let's go.
This the slight,
Sandy on the
slight
What, slice it?
So slight, this that slight shit, man. This my little out of town boot, man. My big one out there back crib and shit, man.
All right. Stand.
Yo, next island.
Next island.
Draw the boat. Yeah. My boy Stacks, man.
I don't want no ice cream touches, no my eyes freeze.
Go, man. We on the boat with it. Y'all need a VIP tour, man. Get right, get at me. My son right here, my dog. Right here.
Boy, got some one check.
Yeah. Shake back, bro.
Yeah, I got a spin for you.
Yeah, draw the boat. Yeah. He about went on that goddamn radio. He faded.
He's got loose on your ass. I'm always the last nigga standing.
Come and get your jump back.
Fuck it, let me get a shot of that.
Get a little shot of that, yeah. Hold up. Drink the bottle. Stop playing. Drink it. Kill it. Yeah. Yeah. Get up, man. Yeah. Oh, wait. Hey, these two right here, bro. They can't hang, bro. Look at them, bro. Take a shot. Yeah. Now you next. Fuck that boy, you next. You been through, yeah. Yeah. Don't need no water. We don't need no water. Don't need no water. H2O. Yeah. We ain't no Gerbers. We ain't no Jibs. Boys, the fucking man, bitch. Pussy.
Who's still up, bro? Who's still ready to take some shots, bro?
Take a shot, bro. Take a shot, bro. Stop smoking, bro. Take a shot, bro.
You done ran?
I done took about 8 shots, bro.
And then you take a shot too, fuck.
Yeah, and you take a shot. You take a shot. Next island.
You take a shot.
Hey. I gotta pee, bro. I ain't gonna lie.
I got them trying to motherfuckers down. What now?
Oh, word.
Stoner.
Yeah, that's why.
Just so I can go faster. Man, we vibing, man. Saturday, man. My birthday boy.
I've been smoking gas and I got one.
Bro, get up, bro. Shake back, bro. Shake back, bro.
In my bank account.
Yo, what's good with y'all, man? Y'all, for the YouTube, what's good with y'all, man? Y'all good? What's good with y'all? What y'all doing out here, man? Y'all vibing?
What's your name? Jordan Gage.
What's good, man?
Nice to meet you.
What's good with y'all? Jalen, man. Nice to meet y'all, man.
Jordan, nice to meet you.
Jalen, man. Nice to meet y'all. Jalen, nice to meet y'all. Boy, James out here.
You need me to follow you around?
Oh yeah, come on.
I got you, bro. I got you.
Me and my boy, that dynamic duo, man. We
I got you.
Big sharks right here. Good, bro. Good. She got pissed. Hold that for me, James. Hold that for me.
I got you.
Vibing out here, man. You know what I'm saying? Vibing out here and everything. Vibing and everything. We're gonna talk a little tour. We're gonna walk around everybody and everything. Real quick. Everybody drunk as hell. Look at him.
I ain't got no volleyball in me, girl.
All that cupcakes and shit. Be with the guys. My boy in the cut, man. It's my boy, man. What's your name, man?
Nice to meet you, bro.
Jalen, man. It's for the YouTube, man. Everything see crossfitted. I've done everything. My boy, look at him. Lean.
I'm taking shots without niggas telling me to take a shot. So,
Valid.
Hey, bro, if you scared, go to church.
This nigga bullshitting. Hey, he used to be in college, not taking no shots.
Let's go over there, man. I can't even stay where I want to. Hey, how y'all doing? Yeah. Y'all take a shot?
Yeah, right there. Niggas funny as fuck.
What's your name?
Oh, man, we was on vlogging real quick, man, for the YouTube, man. Oh, I got shots and food, man. We want shots and food. And all, man. We'll go here, look, get it. Yeah, stacks. Do it like I taught you, boy. Grab the handle.
What's up? We're YouTube. Subscribe to my channel. Pro Beauty sent her BEATI.
You got a temper?
Yeah.
I got you. I'm gonna shout it out for sure. You know what I'm saying? Everybody get right, man. About to be vibes today, man. You know what I'm saying? Me and my boy together, man. You know,
Yes, sir.
Shark, and man. 1A and 1B. Ain't nobody second, man. We both won. You feel me, man? We gotta get vibe, man. We're gonna get some vibes and everything. Come out, little, right. Y'all gonna take out a shot? You gonna take out a shot?
Yes.
Gotcha.
Let me get a cup real quick.
Go ahead, I got you. Some vibes for real though, man.
How you feeling?
I'm feeling great, man. My boy over there drunk, man. Hey, Jay, look, stack. Take your shot. Another one. About to fry.
Come on.
We out here vibing at the... What's good, man? Come on. Yeah, Brandon. Yeah, take another shot, Brandon. Stop being pussy. Drink another, stop being pussy. For the vlog.
Another one.
Yeah, another one. Grow some nuts. Let them shits hang. Grow some nuts. Grow some fucking balls. So at this point, man, we done went out to the lake. Me and my boy Miles, man. I don't know why the sound cut out, but we gonna make it do what it do, man. My boy Miles showing out, man. You know what I'm saying? Miles 2K, man. Y'all gotta add my boy on Instagram, man. My boy Miles out here on the boat, man. We out here chilling on the jet skis and everything, too, man. See right here, he got ain't vibe and everything. We chilling everything right here. In a minute coming up soon, he gonna try to short and do too much, man. He gonna be a little wipeout session, man. But right here, we vibe right now, man. Just getting the views right now. Good little content, man, on the lake, man. We vibe for my boy Gabe, 25th, man. Happy birthday, Stacks. Again, man, going up, man. We out here chilling right now, vibing on the lake, whatever, man. Chilling everything. And here go the part right here. Yeah, Miles. Yeah. Turn up. 2K. Turn up. Go crazy. Go stupid. Yeah. They gonna try to show out right here. Oh, no. Miles, get back up. My boy. Come on, boy. Get up, boy. Get up. So at this point, man, me and Miles went out on the lake with the jet skis and got up with some dudes that, on the jet skis and we out there chilling on the lake, man. You know what I'm saying? I don't know why the sound cut out, man, because it was recording while I was out there, but it may have been because of the wind and everything I was going with. Check out my boy Miles on the jet skis, man. Look at him trying to show off and everything. Y'all gonna see in a minute where he flop in a minute, man. But right now, man, just smooth little vibes, man. We trying to stay far apart so we don't really crash into him too much because he's swinging right now. A little pat on the back, man. But definitely Miles 2K out there chilling for real, man. My boy Soldier for real, man. He out there thugging. Yeah, 2K. Yeah. Nah, this is the part we try to show up and do too much. Watch this. Try to do too much, so coming up. Yeah. Oh, no, Miles. No, Miles. No, get up. At this point, man, Miles up here trying to hit like he done seen a shark, bro. You gotta watch his face, bro. He ever acting like he done seen yeah, like he in a Jaws movie, bro. Look at his eyes, bro. He up there just swimming, bro. Dude try to help him on there, bro. He trying to be independent and everything. I got it. So I'm like, get back on, bro. No, look at him.
No, bro. Come on, bro. Get on the jet ski, bro. Let's go, bro. Shot 2-2.